In this video, I'm going to show you how you can save Gmail attachments to an external hard drive. So this is very quick and easy. So what you need to do is go to Gmail and then go to your inbox. Here you should see all of your emails, and you should have emails with attachments. You should be able to see those attachments. You can click on the email with the attachment you want to download. You can click here, add to drive, and this will add the attachment straight to Google Drive. But if you want to download it and put it on an external hard drive, just hover over it and then click on this download icon here. This will then download it and it will put it into your downloads folder on your computer. We can leave it there for a second because now we need to plug in our external hard drive into the computer. Once you've plugged it in, go to your File Explorer icon on your computer and then go to your downloads icon here. This will open up all of your downloads. From here, you can right click on the attachment, or if you've downloaded multiple attachments, you can hold down left click and highlight all of them. Then right click and click on copy. Then if you go to the sidebar here, you can scroll down, go to this PC, and then click on your external hard drive, which should have appeared if you've plugged it in. Then you can right click in any white space inside of the hard drive, then click paste, and you've now saved it to your external hard drive. Now go to the upwards arrow in the bottom right click on your external hard drive icon, and then click eject.